mean, if you're going to have a watch back, a watch, no, if you're going to have a watch back, watch box, all it's just only says here is all stainless steel. And then because there are some watches that if that they are cheaply made. Okay, good day everyone. So we're now going to have another review of a watch. Well, as you can see there in the video, the name of the watch is of course Fossil, and then it's also pretty obvious with the box, because only Fossil watches that has kind of box, which is a tin can, a square tin can like this, and then it comes in different designs, different colors, and then both their men and women's watches, they come in this type of watch, type of box, or type of boxes. You can use this one, this Fossil box to store something else. So that is why Fossil is kind of pretty smart putting their watches or selling their watches in this type of boxes, because they are reusable and then recyclable boxes. So anyway, before we're going to start with our review, what is Fossil, by the way? So Fossil Group Incorporated is an American fashion designer and manufacturer founded in 1984. So their brands include, of course, this Fossil watch, Relic, BMW, Michelle watch, Skagen Denmark, Misfit, WSI, and Zodiac watches. And then they also makes licensed accessories for brands such as Puma, Emporio Armani, Michael Kors, which is the famous MK, DKNY, Diesel, Kate Spade New York, Tory Burch, Chaps, and Armani Exchange. And then currently there are 364 number of locations around the world. And then when they come in the market in 1984, they introduce good quality, fashionable yet affordable watches. So let's now try to see what kind of watch is this. So let's try to open. Oops. Oh, my favorite color, which is blue. So I really love blue watches or blue dial watches. So this is a blue dial watch, Fossil watch. As you can see here, it is, I don't know what you call this finish. It's not shiny. It's not totally shiny. I forgot the term. And then the details of this watch is the case size is 42 millimeters, and then the movement is quartz. The strap metal, as you can see here, it's stainless steel, and then the water resistance of this is 10 ATM. So when you say 10 ATM, that is 100 meters underwater. If you're going to see here, if you're going to ask if the band is interchangeable, yes, it is interchangeable. It has interchangeable compatibility of 22 millimeter or 22 millimeters. And then the closure of the band is like this. It has only a single pusher fold over clasp, and then it has the Fossil name on the clasp. So this is pretty a brand new watch. Actually, there's the protective this one, the protective plastic are still there. Let's try to get that one, because we're trying to listen if the band is a solid type of band. Okay, so as you can hear, or as you if you're going to listen to the sound of the band, it's not a cheap type of band. See, that's how it looks like on my wrist. This is 42 millimeters, so it's just the right size. There are several downsides I am going to tell you. The first is the bezel. the bezel is fixed. It's not movable in either way. But it's still a pretty decent looking watch. I know that many people were going to find this one a very attractive watch. Aside from it has a very nice royal blue color, if you're going to look at it, it's really a very nice looking watch. And then aside from that, there are many people also don't like this one, this magnifier here for the calendar feature. But I've read online that you can remove this one, but you have to be very careful to removing the magnifier so that you're not going to scratch the mineral crystal. And you can always go to the to a pawn shop, or maybe you can go to a fossil boutique or to a fossil authorized repair shop, a watch repair shop, and then have this magnifier removed. So this is the fossil watch. And then I like the band, though it's a regular looking band, but it's a pretty solid band. This watch comes in different colors. So this is the blue dial, a combination of the silver tone, and then I also have the black, the all black of this model, this one. See, both of them are made of stainless design, the same 42 millimeters the diameter, and then both are quartz, and then they have also the same clasp design and also the band design. The difference is this is just all black. I think this is just only a plate. How do you say that? Plated or being painted over. So most probably over time, if you're going to use this one, or if you're going to imo siyang makuan sa surface, like ma-scratch siya, gawas to yung original color, which is the silver, or the silver one. But this is but the all black is also a very good looking watch. See, it's a very rugged looking. It's more rugged than this one, and then the all black is trendier as compared to this one. That's for me. This is trendier looking than the silver with blue dial. But of course, if you're going to ask me which one I will going to choose, of course I'm going to choose this one because I'm crazy about blue dial. But this one is also great. And then also this watch comes also in rubber band. See? If you're going to look at here, they are just the same. The difference is this one is all black, but this one, it has a silver tone on it. This one, if you're going to change this one into a silver band, it will really look good on this watch because this is a black dial with silver tone here. So silver band or silver stainless band will really look good on this band, with this watch rather. So these are the fossil watches that we reviewed today. So they are the same model but different colors and then different band. And then if you're going to ask me if they are good watches, well, fossil watches are good watches. Try to consider this one as one of your collection, because they are good watches. They are pretty solid watches. So that's it. I would say that these are good quality watches. They deserve to be inside in your to be one of your collection in your watch box. And yeah, so by the way, the last one more thing is all of their bezels, they don't move because of course obviously they are of the same model. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much for watching this review. I hope that you did learn something from this review, and then goodbye.